Hello ActiveWorld, this is Asuran and I'm going to teach you the basics of ActiveWorld 4.2. Right, I've actually already logged in to ActiveWorld by entering my name and email address as a tourist. If you have a citizenship, then you just enter your username and password at the login screen and you can log in. Right, first things first is I suggest if you are a female, you change your avatar because it is defaulted to a male tourist avatar. To do this, you click on the avatar menu and then select tourist female or female tourist avatar. You can also select custom avatar, which is explained in a previous video, which has a link to it in the video description. Right, next you want to do is you want to actually be able to walk around. To walk around ActiveWorld, you just simply use the arrow buttons. To go up is forward, down is backward, turning left is left, and turning right is right. Right, once you've got the basics figured out, you can start walking around and exploring. You can interact with an object by hovering over it. If the mouse icon turns into a hand, that means you can interact with that object, like so. Once you click on the object, some things may appear. As you can see, a screen appears with the question wondering where you are. This can be extremely fun, as it can be used for numerous things in ActiveWorld, such as playing a game. Right, if we continue walking around, the default entry point, you have the teleports center, which is called the visitor welcome center. In this you have loads of worlds in which you can go, and also a map of the default starting point, which is the AW gate. This is useful if you are new to ActiveWorld and you do not know what you are doing. You can teleport to a place simply by going over it and clicking on it. That will teleport you to an area of the AW gate. As you can see, I have now teleported to another area of the AW gate. Right, also to fly, we have numerous people asking how do you fly. To fly, you use the plus and minus button on the numlock to fly up and down. If you have a laptop, you usually need to press two buttons. You usually need to press the function button or FN button, and you also need to locate the plus and minus buttons, which are usually in a different color to the default key color. On my laptop it is actually blue. The FN or function button will be in the color that the rest of the keys are in, so if your function button is blue, then you are looking for a plus and minus symbol that are blue. Do not use the plus and minus button which are next to the backspace and along the same line as the number buttons. This will type in a plus and minus in the ActiveWorld's chat window, and you will not be able to fly. An alternative is to click on Options and Configure Controls. This allows you to change the controls for most of the things on ActiveWorld, most of the controls on ActiveWorld. I actually leave it on default, but some people have actually found it easier to change. Right, the basic icons that you will use is the look up, look level, and look down icons, which allow you to look up and down. You can also use the page up and page down buttons to look up and down. If you click the level button, it will lock your eyesight to level. To change views, you can also select the first person, chase camera, or front camera view, which changes your view. You can also change it by clicking on the change camera view or by pressing the end and home button. Right, that is basically the basics of ActiveWorld. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video.